Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the best websites which help you to test if a website is really down. I mean, if you have something like that, you want to go to a website like this one. I mean, I don't even know what it is, I've just found it. And this site seems to be down, but it could be also a problem on my PC, in my router, or from my internet service provider. Or it could be that this site is just rejecting any request from my IP address for some reason. I mean, it's always good to check if other websites can be still reached. So it's a little bit difficult to find out where the problem is when you just get this message, this site cannot be reached, and something like that. So how to find out? My first and actually best website which I can recommend is this one here. Is it down right now? By the way, all the three website links I'll put down into the description down below, like in the video description, so you can just click on them and invoke these things. I have been checking all of them on VirusTotal. They seem to be at least at the moment safe. So here it is. So here's the first one. Is it down right now? Here's the site. So basically that's the main URL, of course, and then you have this field here where you paste the URL which didn't work on your PC, and they will check and give you some information. And here they are confirming the website is down for everybody. Last down, yeah, there's not much. The cool thing is even they have some statistics where sometimes they can show you when it has been down, a lot of other information, even an area where you can post some things and share some opinions on that, or even rate this website. There's so many things. So this is my best website about this thing, and I can show you something which I had just recently. That's a website which was down yesterday, and I've been wondering, is it just me or is it also for other people? And here this thing helps definitely. Last down 15 hours ago it has been down. Yeah, that was exactly when I was trying to do something, so it was not just me, but there are also other pages, even though this is the best one. Another really nice and really interesting thing is this one here. So you can also of course paste the thing and let this check, and they already say that ping failed, so this is usually a bad indication, and they also say it's not working. The cool stuff here on this website is that you can check other websites which are not working. So you click on the top again and you can see the recent tested sites and the status, if they are up or down. So if you want to test a site which is really up, you can test this one. If you want to see a site which is down, you can test this one. But you have to be careful where you're going to. Maybe it's the best thing before you go to a website which you don't know, go to virustotal.com, click on URL, paste this thing here, and let this website check if it's safe or not. And you can see all the scanners are saying yeah, it's safe, so you can test this thing. So this can be really important. This is something which is hard to find, websites which are down right now. This can be super important if you want to compare different sites. And my last recommendation is this one here, Site Checker Pro Speed Test. That's important that you add the speed test here, and then you can add the URL. I mean, of course, we have to be on top of this website. We enter this thing here and let it work. Of course, for this thing here, it's not working. So definitely doesn't make a lot of sense to test this thing here. So I'll test the site which is working. Yeah, I have to stop this thing here. So let's go again with the hideout and let it test, and it will come up with really nice information, how fast or how slow this page is. And maybe this will help you to determine if there is a problem on your side or if there is a problem on their side. And you can see, yeah, they are having a lot of problems on their website, a lot of red things which are not good. So it looks like they have to do some improvement. This is also some really nice information. So I think we had a lot now for the moment. I hope this helps. And again, my first recommendation is this website. That's the most important one here. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, if you have found a website which helps even more, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things and learn new stuff. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.